Stop by and take a look at the 2020 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine, which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, heated steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.